There's a misalignment. So we don't need to twist. We just need to get that bone set up there. It's already nice and easy. And here's what it feeds right down into that shoulder. Beautiful. Nice. Okay, this is what I'll find quite a bit with people, let's say if they sit a lot, is that when their hip will start popping. So the motion, it gets a little tight, but some of the motions when you come out and you're lying there and you could be in bed or something and you come from here to here and you get this big pop. That's what we're finding here. But what we're going to do is we're just going to check to see how our pelvis is stabilizing first, and then we'll check the rest for spine. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and lift the feet off the ground just about 6 inches and relax, and do that again and relax, and just note that. And now I'm going to push in here. Try that again. Is that harder? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, so we're going to check and just see how our pelvis is, see if she's what category. You're going to bring your arms to the side. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just press into these areas, and you're going to just contract. I'm going to tell you to hold, and just hold. Okay, hold. Okay, feel that? Hold. So it's kind of like a nerve reaction here. So we're going to push on the inguinal ligament, because that has a lot of proprioceptive nerve impulse in there. So we're going to stimulate that. Okay, hold, hold, hold. Good. And let's try this side. Okay, hold, hold, hold. Okay. So it looks like more right short too. Let me check. What we're going to do is, so she's showing more of a category 2 right now. So what we're going to do is block her pelvis, right short leg. And come right in here. Go ahead and lift this up, right so. Lift up that other. Good. And I'm just going to get it nice and even. You just relax right there. Then we're going to bring the feet together. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to let that set in there, and also we're going to have to release probably the hip flexor a little bit too. Let me just straighten your hands. So it's showing up a little shorter on this whole side too. She may have stuff in the shoulder that we got to look at. So go ahead and squeeze your knees together. Good. And push out. And squeeze. Good. And now what I'm going to do is come in here. It's going to be a little tender. I'm going to come all the way out there. And lift this up. There we go. I can feel it right there. Feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little torturous, huh? So we're going to come in here. We're going to come out that way. Right there. Right there. Straighten that leg. Easily said, right? Perfect. Good. Great. Nice. Excellent. Let me just check something here. And point the fingers. That's much better. Okay, let me just check this. I want you to hold light grip and go straight up right here, okay? And hold, 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 hold. Wow, much better response. Hold, hold, hold. Good. Much better there. So that's better. Let's go ahead and go face down. So we're just going to check the lumbars. So I can feel there's still some torquing in this area. Yeah, right up through there too. There's a misalignment. Good. And line this side face me. set that bottom bone. So we don't need to twist. We just need to get that bone set up there. It's already nice and easy. Nice and back. And she does have a little something in the shoulder. And make sure that's freed up. And a lot of times that can lead to those wrist issues, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Those are the ones that feel good, hurt good. And here's what it feeds right down into that shoulder. Beautiful. Nice. Perfect. So what will happen is we're going to recheck that next week. Get up and walk around. And the only thing that I want you to work on is when you're in this position here, I want you to bend this one to give you stability. Push on this with your hand. Push on it, but let it go down. And come back up and push on it and let it go down. And I want you to keep doing that.
I'm like resisting?
Yeah, you're resisting.
Oh, okay.
So it's an eccentric stretching exercise, and I want you to keep doing that. And you can do it on both sides because you've got to normalize both the psoases. So you want to keep doing both of those, and you press on it, let it stretch, but you're resisting. Same thing, right? So you're going to push, and there, and do it again. And so we keep doing that. Try the other side. And you want to do that about 5-10 times and try to do it every day, okay?
Okay.
And then other than that, there's another part to this that we teach you to keep opening that area up. But it's much more balanced now. Good job. All right?
Thank you.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.